guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a super exciting Dollar Tree haul. Now everything I show you is only makeup, so this is Dollar Tree makeup haul. I finally decided to get the Dollar Tree brand of makeup, and I usually steer clear of the Dollar Tree makeup because I feel like it's cheap. And yes, I am sometimes one of those people that judge it before I try it because I'm like, it's cheap, it's not cute. If it's a name brand makeup from Dollar Tree, then I'm like, oh yes, I'm gonna try it. But if it's the Dollar Tree brand, I kind of stay away from it. But this time I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try it. And I'm definitely wanting to do the Dollar Tree makeup tutorial, just using all Dollar Tree makeup and see how they wear, how they look, and maybe do a wear test throughout the day and let you guys know if it's worth it, what's worth it. Maybe find some hidden gems that I did not know they have. So I am looking forward to that. Make sure you are subscribed because I am going to be doing that video. If you're not subscribed, make sure you click that subscribe button, click that notification bell, so that way you get notified every time I post a new video. I do post 5 days a week, so why not join me? Let's get right into it because I do have a lot of makeup that I want to show you guys. So the first thing that I picked up is this one right here. This is the LA Color Extreme Eyeshadow, and this one is in the color Truffles. So it's like a quad. It looks like this. It was the last one. I didn't see any more. I just thought this was really cute. It's very like subtle neutral colors, which I love. And then I also got this palette. So I'm thinking if that one doesn't work out, I'm gonna have a backup when I do my makeup tutorial for Dollar Tree. I actually got two of these. So I got these right here. So this one is called Water Lily. It is by LA Colors, and it is a trio. The colors I think are really pretty, especially the pink. The lavender one. I think it's really gorgeous. A lot of times with this purpley lavender color, they tend to look streaky or extra powdery. They don't tend to do really good. I don't know what it is with purple, but a lot of times it just doesn't work out. So I'm really curious to see how this ends up looking. So there's that one. And then I also got this one, and this one is called Orchid. So it looks like this, more of a neutral, cool tone, like that. The next one I got, also by LA Colors. This is the Contour Stick, and it is called Bronzer. So it looks like this. It says that it's great for contouring. And I kind of am afraid to use it in a way, to be honest with you, just because the stick is looking like it's shimmery. Maybe too shimmery for a contour bronzer. I don't know. We shall see, but looks like that. I got two powder blushes. They look like this. The first trip, I actually got this one. It was the only blush I found, so I got it. And then the second trip that I went to Dollar Tree, I ended up getting this one. And to be honest with you, I really wish I just got this one, not this one, because really I don't usually wear like blushes like this that are really like bright. Like this is bright. And I'm sorry guys, I had to turn on my fan. We're having a heat wave in California. It's so hot. You can already feel my makeup coming off. First powder blush that I got is this one. It's called Sweet Cheeks. I think the name is funny, but it's really bright pink. And the second one is pink blush. So it looks like this. I like the fact that it's more of a muted pink. I have a feeling I'm gonna like this one a lot, so we shall see. So I got two highlighters, and again, they are by LA Colors. This one I think is really pretty. It's more like a golden looking highlighter, and I a lot of times gravitate towards these type of highlights. And this one is called Shine Bright. So it looks like that. And then the next one is called Glow Time, and it kind of has like a pink undertone. It looks like that. Now they did have one like this in a bronzer, but because it was so shimmery, I just didn't pick it up because honestly, I don't think I'm gonna wear it. I did get more eyeshadow. I got these loose eyeshadows, and I'm very curious to see how these work. They are loose, and I'm planning on using them as a topper, like as an eyeshadow topper. Maybe just tap it and see if it does some type of magic. I don't know. But this one is in Honeysuckle. It looks like this. And it looks like it comes with that little brush right there. I'm really curious to see how this looks, but it looks really pretty. They do claim that it's a intense shimmer. also by LA Colors. They've been having a lot of makeup at the Dollar Tree. I'm just so impressed. And then this one is called Lollipop. It's more like a beautiful light pink color. The next thing I found is a foundation, and it's crazy because I actually feel like I found my shade. Hopefully it is my shade. It says it's light 1, and I did see that they had like 5 shades, like light 1, light 2, 3, 4, and it went to like 5. Now the shade ranges for foundation is not great. It's like 5. I don't know, maybe there's more, but that's all I've seen. And I got this one. This is by Sassy and Chic, and it's a moisturizing foundation. It looks like this. So we shall see, but I'm really looking forward to trying this out. I usually, guys, do not wear foundation. I usually wear concealer and then powder, but they did not have a concealer. So I decided to get the foundation. I'm actually very curious to see how it works. You never know, it might be like a hidden gem at Dollar Tree. If it is, that would be awesome. Like I said, I do want to do a wear test to see how it turns out, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you haven't. Another thing that I found that honestly I did not think I was gonna find, I'm really surprised about this one. So this is a LA Colors setting spray. Have you guys ever seen this? I have never seen this. So this says it's clear. It's a setting spray for on the go. It says it's perfect for travel, which is true because it's like tiny and it's perfect. Really hoping it works out because looks interesting. I always use setting sprays for every makeup look I do. I just feel like it makes it last longer. It sets my makeup and I love it. The next one is another one, LA Colors. Again, this is a smudge proof automatic eyeliner and it is in the color black. It claims that it is a smooth applicator or smooth application. So it looks like this. Really curious to see how this works because I'm very picky with my eyeliners and I don't know, we will see. And then I got a Wet n Wild mascara. This is the Mega Wear mascara. It claims to give you full healthy lashes. It looks like this. It says that it's a clean definition and it enhances and defines. This one is in a very black. I'm very curious to see how this works. I have tried Wet n Wild mascara in the past before, but I never tried it in this type of packaging, and I'm very curious to see if it works. We shall see. Okay, now on to the lip color. The one that I found is this one right here, and this one is the Beauty Benefits Color Quad Cream Lipstick, and it is in the color Sandy Nude. So it looks like this. Now they did have this in multiple colors, but I only got this one because this actually stood out to me. It's like a really beautiful nude. I'm very, very curious to see how this one turns out. So it looks like that. And then I also got this one. This is the LA Colors Moisturizing Balm. So it's called Love M Lip Balm and it is in the color Cherish. They did have these in like 2 other colors, but I only got this one again in the nude. It's really cute because it has like a heart shape. Hopefully you guys can see that. So I guess the moisturizer is in the middle and on the outside it has like more of a color. I don't know if it's sheer, I don't know if it's tinted, we shall see, but I'm very curious to try this out. And then for the lip gloss, I only got one, and this one is by Beauty Benefits. This is So Lit Lip Gloss Shine, and it is a high shine gloss formula. It claims that it's a smooth application, and this is in the color Rose Gleam. So it looks like this. I think the packaging is really, really cute. It has a flamingo and Hawaiian flowers. Really, really cute. They did have this in like 3 other colors, but I decided to get this one. These are like the Dollar Tree makeup. I started seeing these this year. I did not see them the year prior, but very curious to see how this is because I am very picky with lip glosses. So it's usually I hate it or I super love it. So we shall see. Another thing that I want to try out, this got me very curious to see how it works. And this is the LA Color Sugar Lip Scrub. And it is called, it's in the color Sugar. I mean, there's no color to it. It's just a lip scrub. So it claims that it gently exfoliates your lips. It makes it smooth and softens your lips. And it looks like this. I actually really like this. I'm excited to try this one out, and we shall see how it works. I am very excited about this. I usually use a lip scrub before I apply any lip color on my lips because I feel like it makes your lip application very smooth and evenly. If you have any dead skin on your lips, or you know, your lips are crusty, uneven, I do think it makes a really big difference to use a lip scrub before you apply anything on your lips. So excited to try that. And then guys, last but not least, now this is not a Dollar Tree makeup that they usually carry, but I wanted to just include it. I'm not gonna do this part of the Dollar Tree makeup tutorial in my next video when I do it, but I did want to show you guys because I did find it and I wanted to share with you guys, and we shall see. I might do a swatch on this, I don't know, but it looks like this, and this is by Jessie's Girl. They usually carry this at Rite Aid. So this is called The Eyes Have It. Let me show you guys. It's the only one I've seen. Actually, there was another one left and that was it. Let me actually give you guys a little swatch. I want to see how it swatches because this is a makeup palette that I really wanted to see how it looks. Now, to be honest with you, the packaging looks really cheap. Like, it looks cheap. And by looking at the eyeshadows, I don't know, it kind of looks like that cheap play makeup, you know, where they use for like little girls, and it's not great quality, but you know, for fun they use it. Okay, I'm not gonna judge it. Let's swatch it. Just as I suspected. Yeah, this is horrible. Why did I have a bad feeling about it? Just by looking at it, I could already tell. I was like, okay, I'm not gonna judge it, but it's bad. Like, look at this, guys. Super powdery, super sheer, barely any pigment. I was barely able to pick up anything at all. Look at this. Let me swatch it. Let's see how it swatches. Yeah. I'm not liking it, to be honest with you. Really, really sheer, barely any color shows off on my hand. Like, to me, this is really bad. It's definitely powdery. Even when I applied it, there was powder coming off of it. Let me show you guys if I dip my hand in a little bit harder. As you can see, I'm really dipping my hands in there. Or my hands, my fingers. So if I dip my fingers a little bit harder, it ends up looking a little bit more pigmented. But wow, the fallout and the powdery, it's just, the powder is just too much. Look at this. So it's a little bit more, but guys, it's so flaky. I can't handle this. This is a no-go. If you guys see this, even though it's $1, to be honest with you, I would stay clear of this. I do not like this. This is such a fail. Like I said, I did want to give it a shot because, you know, you never know, but I was so curious to swatch this to see how it looks. I can already tell, like, it's one of those cheap makeup that you could tell, even by me swatching it on my fingers, I could tell was it's cheap makeup. Even though it's Jessie's Girl, it's name brand, I don't know if they still sell it on Rite Aid, and I don't know if they're selling it at Dollar Tree to kind of get rid of it. I feel like Jessie's Girl makeup is dying out at Rite Aid, and perhaps that's why. I don't know. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned because I will do a Dollar Tree makeup tutorial, like a one brand Dollar Tree makeup tutorial, and let you guys know which one is worth it. Hopefully we will find some hidden gems at the Dollar Tree when it comes to makeup. I'm excited because I really just want to try this. I always pass by it and I never try it. So I thought, you know what? It's time to give it a shot. And I did have someone comment and they suggested for me to do like a makeup tutorial using only Dollar Tree products. So I was like, you know what? That's a great idea. That sounds exciting. So I'm so happy that I actually found all this at the Dollar Tree. Usually Dollar Tree, they'll have some things and then the next week they'll have another one, and it's kind of like scattered everywhere, but they always carry this. So if you guys want to see my next video, stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching and stopping by my channel. It means so much. I would love if you can join me by subscribing to my channel. And until next time, remember, stay blessed.